In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the host for a meeting in Calendly. Calendly is a versatile tool that helps streamline your scheduling process, making it simple for you and anyone else involved to manage meetings efficiently. Now, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do this smoothly and successfully. Firstly, you want to start by heading over to the Calendly homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your events and settings. From here, navigate to the upper left side of the screen. What you're looking for is the Create button. It's prominently placed to help you quickly start setting up new meetings or events. Once you click the Create button, you'll be prompted with different types of meetings that you can set up. For this tutorial, let's choose the one-on-one option. This is perfect for personal or direct meetings where only one invitee is scheduled to meet. After selecting this option, a pop-up window will appear on the right side of your screen. This pop-up allows you to configure the details of your new event. Now, within this pop-up, you need to scroll down to find the section labeled Host. This is where you can make adjustments to the meeting's host. There will be a drop-down menu available here. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of potential hosts that you can assign to this meeting. These options are typically drawn from your existing contacts or team members within your Calendly account. Here, you have the flexibility to select anyone from your contact list that fits the requirement of the meeting you're setting up. After you've made your selection from the list, whether it's by name or email of your preferred host, simply select that particular individual and you're done. You've successfully changed the host of the meeting. This action updates the meeting details and ensures all invitations or notifications that follow will have the new host information included. This process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure you're choosing the right person for the meeting's purpose. Double-checking this can prevent any confusion or miscommunication down the road. Using these steps, you can optimize your scheduling and better manage your meetings and time with Calendly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've mastered changing hosts for your meetings in Calendly. Feel free to explore other features to make the most of this powerful scheduling tool. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.